Here we have a stunning Range Rover Sport HSE Dynamic with a black contrasting roof. This is a 3-litre diesel. We have privacy glass, 21-inch alloys with a diamond turn finish. All alloys have recently been refurbished, making them look brand new. You also have a powered tailgate. Over on the back you can see some slight scratches if you look closely, however that is expected with a used vehicle. You also have an electric tow bar and keyless entry. Going inside the vehicle, the back seats look brand new and like they've hardly been sat on. You also have heated seats in the back, which is a luxury. And going into the front of the car, you have an ebony leather interior. The driver's seat is showing some wear, however that is also expected with a used vehicle. You also have illuminated Range Rover script tread plates and a leather steering wheel. Here you can see the service history, which isn't due till February 2022, and you do also have 2 keys, which is great to have a spare in case you lose one. You also have a sliding panoramic roof, which is great for letting in more light. A touchscreen with sat-nav, where you have a 2D and 3D option depending on your preference. You also have DAB radio with many different options to choose from, and a rear view camera making parking and reversing a lot easier. Everything can be controlled using the buttons on your wheel. And you do also have cruise control and a speed limiter. You also have heated seats in the front, which is ideal for winter. Memory seats, which is handy if there's several people in and out of the car. And this vehicle has done 44,683 miles. Stepping back out of the car, that was the Range Rover Sport. If you're interested in this stunning vehicle, please call 01785 211 31. Thank you.